Today we will be doing a Smartwriter review and demo walkthrough. Smartwriter is a smart AI software that generates hypnotic sales scripts within seconds to get more traffic, leads, sales and subscribers. With Smartwriter, you can create top-quality content, converting sales copy and hypnotic scripts in just 3 easy steps. Smartwriter creates sales copy that converts without any writing or technical skills required. And it's 100% compatible with all the apps that you already have. Basically, Smartwriter creates content, sales copy, scripts, ads, emails, webinars, and a lot more. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you are notified when we upload new videos. Right, let's get started with the Smartwriter demo review and walkthrough.
Hey there, my friend. Wouldn't you like to save more time and effort writing stuff? Wouldn't you love if someone invented a tool that writes copy that's not only readable but highly effective all by itself? Then you're going to love Smartwriter, the world's best AI-powered writing app that generates unlimited sales scripts in just a few clicks. That's right, my friends. With Smartwriter, you'll be able to write high-converting sales scripts, blog content, email campaigns, and ad copy in minutes, and you can do it all from a single convenient dashboard. Let's suppose you're in a hurry to create an amazing sales script to dazzle one of your clients. Smartwriter is the only tool that'll get your job done right away. Let me show you why right now. You simply have to open the writer to get started. You enter the name of your script here and select a script category from the menu below. Here you will find every possible category you will ever need to cover, including sales letters, social media ads and captions, emails, cold calling, web banners, and short video scripts. Now you're going to pick a script template. And one cool thing you'll notice is that Smartwriter is the first app of its kind that lets you select a different angle for your scripts with one click, saving you the headache of going through multiple revisions until you get it right. This means you can use Smartwriter to create scripts to promote and sell any product or service on any channel. In the following page, you are going to enter a few other pieces of information to personalize your script, including the name of your product, your name, and others such as the problem you solve and your biggest unique selling proposition. If you don't enter something here, the app's powerful AI will do the job, so you get something else not to worry about. Now you just have to click on Create Script, and Smartwriter will generate a new original script from scratch in just seconds. Not only that, but it will generate a variation of the same script, letting you pick and use the one that best fits your campaign. What's more, Smartwriter's AI will add prompts to your scripts so you know where to add elements such as screenshots, images, testimonials, countdowns, and more. But what if you'd like or need to rewrite parts like your product, your name, or your unique selling points, but don't want to scroll through the entire script to find where you have to make these changes? Smartwriter makes it easy, and you simply have to click on Rebuild Script to re-enter your information. And then to click here to get it done. Amazing. Once you're happy with your script, you can download it as a PDF that you can send over to anyone, and as a text file if you can edit on your computer. Click on Save Changes and your script will be saved to your account. Like I mentioned, you can create smart scripts for any niche, in any angle you can imagine, and you don't even need to be an expert. So let's create another one real quick. This time I would like to create an email campaign, so let's select that as the script category. Email campaigns can be hard to nail down, so being able to select an email template that gets the angle right is a lifesaver. Let's select Cart Abandonment. Let's now enter the information required to customize this script. As you can see here, I'm only asked to enter a first name, a coupon code, and a brand name. And just like that, I created a cart abandonment email that can help any e-commerce business to increase revenue. But you know what's even cooler? You not only get to create high-converting scripts of any kind for your own selling, but also with the agency rights which comes with Smartwriter, you get the chance to sell any one of these scripts to your clients too, and make them extremely happy on their selling. And if you ever want more out of Smartwriter, including 18 additional categories, 150 plus script templates, a custom copywriting agency bundle, and smart AI-based text-to-speech features, you can always upgrade and take your copywriting business to the next level. So forget about hiring expensive freelance writers and wasting your precious time away writing stuff yourself. Smartwriter is all you need to create high-converting scripts to sell any product in any niche in just minutes.
Thank you for watching this Smartwriter review and demo walkthrough video. To find out more about Smartwriter, click the link in the description below.